Hello Globe community. This is a video on how to redeem your purchase tokens. And it's pretty straightforward. You go to Sablier Finance application. That's app.sablier.finance. I will include this link in the video description, so you can just click it on there and head straight to the website. Once you're here, it will ask you to sign in. So when you sign in, you want to make sure you sign in with the correct wallet. So what is the correct wallet? Correct wallet is the wallet that the Globe team has on file. So it's either a wallet that you set the funds in when you purchase the GDT tokens, or you can directly contact the team to let them know which wallet you would like to redeem the GDT tokens in. So once you have the wallet on your MetaMask selected, you can click sign in, select MetaMask, and then it will prompt you to sign in with your password, and then you should have your wallet connected. Once you've signed in, your dashboard should pop up with the status, the value of the GDT, which is the amount being streamed, stream progress, it's still very early, start time, stop time, and actions. To see more information, you click on View Stream, and you get a nice visualization of the streaming of your tokens. So this is a total amount that will be streamed at the end of the cycle, and you see the current amount that's constantly being streamed, and you see the number of GDTs going out. That's very exciting. So there's about 5% streamed so far, and 5% withdrawn, and the amount of days remaining. So what does streaming mean? Streaming means it's the amount of tokens that is unlocked for you to be able to withdraw. And for you to actually claim the tokens, you need to manually claim by clicking on this withdraw button. So once you click that, it will prompt another section on the right here. Again, total amount of GDT that will be released by the end of the streaming cycle, how much that has already been streamed, as well as how much you've withdrawn to your wallet already. Once you have the selected amount, you can click withdraw to wallet, pay the appropriate gas fees, click confirm, and once the transaction is confirmed, then the GDT should be in your MetaMask wallet. You can do whatever you want with it. You can take it to an exchange. You can also take it to Globe website and take advantage of their staking program. It's a new program. I will have a video link in description on how to stake on Globe platform. But you can take your GDT to Globe and stake it for yearly APY. And this is for long-term hodlers. You can take advantage of the APY for staking, depending on how many months, of course. But it's a great program. Check it out, and check out our other video on how to stake. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.